GitHub Copilot revolutionizing programming with AI. AI-powered code assistance. GitHub Copilot is an AI pair programmer that helps developers write code more efficiently. It offers contextualized assistance throughout the software development lifecycle, providing code completions, code explanations, and more. Integration with popular editors. Copilot is integrated with leading editors like Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, JetBrains IDEs, and Neovim, and it's also built into GitHub, making it widely accessible. Support for multiple languages. The tool is trained on a wide range of languages, with the quality of suggestions varying based on the representation of each language in public repositories. JavaScript, for example, receives robust support. Updated AI model. The underlying codex model has been upgraded, leading to improvements in the quality and speed of code suggestions. This enhancement means developers can code faster with more accurate and responsive suggestions. Security features. A new AI-based vulnerability prevention system is included to block insecure coding patterns in real time, thereby enhancing the security of the code suggestions. Privacy and data usage. GitHub Copilot collects user engagement data, prompts, and suggestions, with strict measures to protect this data. It does not use these inputs for training AI models. Diverse plans for different users. GitHub Copilot offers plans tailored for individual developers, freelancers, students, educators, open-source maintainers, and organizations, with features like license management, policy management, and IP indemnity varying by plan. Contribution to developer productivity and satisfaction. Developers using GitHub Copilot have reported higher job satisfaction and increased productivity in writing code. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the remarkable capabilities of GitHub Copilot, I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. GitHub Copilot isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in the way we code, making the process faster, more efficient, and even more enjoyable. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested in the future of coding. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support encourages us to continue creating and sharing valuable insights and updates in the tech world. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.